Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another gear review. Today I got something that could potentially replace something I already own, and it's my GoXLR. Synido sent me in something kind of neat. This thing is called the Live 100. Now it comes in purple and it comes in black, so you have options there, but this thing's kind of cool. They actually sent me a couple different things on top of this. I believe it's their package that comes with this. Now, what I ended up getting with this thing is a large diaphragm studio recording microphone. I use the Shure MV7X. It's a great microphone. Love this thing, but I actually was pretty surprised at this little guy and what it can do alongside this Live 100 interface. Now, on top of that, you're gonna get yourself a little microphone stand, a little shock mount, some cables. You're gonna need those cables. They also sent me over some what looks like USB-C to USB-C to, Apple Lightning Bolt cable so I can plug in some phones. Yeah, this thing, you can do that. Now, it also came with some headphones so you can go ahead and monitor. I tried these out. They're not the best, but if you need headphones, at least it comes with something to kind of try out. So yeah, try it out if you need. And then it also comes with just your standard mount here. So if you didn't want to use a shock mount, you just want to use a standard mount, you can do that too. Now, inside this box, you're gonna get yourself a bunch of other things, including a user manual, main power source cable right here, USB-C to USB-A cable right there for power. Everything's kind of like this orange color. Kind of like it. You're also gonna get yourself not one, not two, not three, but four 3.5 millimeter cable to 3.5 millimeter cables so that you can plug in other devices like phones, microphones, anything you might need to get the job done with this audio interface. And here it is. It's pretty cool. I got the black one here. I kind of like it. I think purple's cool too, but black is just it just goes with everything. So, if you need black, you got black here. Really nice, very, it feels heavy. It feels really legit. I feel like I'm holding a high-end piece of tech right here. Feels good to the hand. It's cold. It's been kind of cold lately, so this is cold. There's a lot of buttons on here, a lot of inputs, outputs, all kinds of stuff. And rather than go into the different case use scenarios, I'm just gonna give you guys a demo quickly, what this thing sounds like and what it can do for you. Now, what's cool about this thing is you don't need any software with it. You don't. Like, you can literally just use everything right here. The only thing you would need software for is for a little bit of tweakage if you really wanted to. Also, the software that does come with it allows you to just get a simple recording app if you don't have one at your disposal. Now, I'm sure you have some programs on your computer or whatever to record, or even on your phone, but this thing, the app that you can download with this, you can also record there too and see live waveforms and, check which clips you like and don't like. So I just want to quickly demonstrate how this thing sounds. Now I'm going to use it raw right here, just plugging this directly into my camera source, which is technically I'm recording into an Adamus monitor, the Ninja 5 or whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and record this directly into what you guys are hearing right now. I'm not gonna use any software, nothing. I'm just gonna give you the raw take of what this thing offers. I got some headphones on and I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this thing in. I got the little power cable right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug this guy in. There's a little power button on top. And if I hit that thing, you're gonna see this thing lights up. It looks pretty, man. I think it's a cool looking device, dude. It has some flair to it, so it's good. It's nice, dude. I love these rings right here. It looks so pretty, like this orange color with like the black. Looks really, really nice. So now that I'm plugged in here, I'm just gonna quickly plug in this microphone and I'm gonna swap out from this one to this one. So here's my audio check from the Shure MV7X, a little testing through a GoXLR. Now, I know this doesn't sound good right out the bat, and that's because I haven't tweaked any of my settings, and also you got this cable dangling here and whatnot, but like, I haven't tweaked anything with this microphone. So bear in mind that basically what you can do is I can go from something like this so I can start to really tweak it. I can turn down the treble, I can turn up the treble, I can bring it back down, I can also turn up the bass, and now I'm seeing a little bit better situation here. Maybe bring up the treble a little bit more, something around here, maybe something like that. And now this kind of sounds a little bit more like a microphone, but you're kind of noticing a lot more sounds in the background, a lot more just everything, right? Well, guess what? There's a denoise button, and if I click that, now you're not hearing that noise, and the microphone still sounds good. But let's say there was a little more noise. There's multiple phases within the denoise that you can go ahead and turn on here to get yourself situated. So if I hit this button again, it's going to turn green, and now it's trying to listen to all the little bits and pieces here. And now, just for an example, I'm going to go ahead and turn up my fan speed of my computer. You can kind of hear her, right? You can also hear my wife. She's on a Zoom call. But now what I can do is I can come over here and I can hit this button. Now listen to that fan sound. It's pretty good. But I'm still hearing a little bit of stuff, so I'm going to take it from level blue to level green. Now I'm not hearing that fan. Take it one step further. My cat just jumped off his chair. I'm going to take it one step further, go all the way to red. I don't hear anything. I think overall, this sounds pretty good. Just to run through a couple of these little sound effects and whatnot, you will get some random sound effects on this thing, and one is called the opening. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? And on... Next one is applause. And I can turn it up. I can turn it down. And then we got laughter. Now, it's not the best quality, but it's okay. Then you also got cheering. Sounds very, very compressed right there. It's awkward. And then you also got booing. So, yeah, I get it. I get it. Chill, relax. So, but this all comes stock in this thing. And, yeah, you can change some of them, but you can also record your own. Now, there's these three little customized buttons right here. And if I go ahead and push and hold, now I'm pressing on channel 1 or whatever the customized one is. And as soon as I let go, now it's going to go ahead and save that file. And now that's going to become a sample. So now when I hit this, now I'm pressing on channel 1 or whatever the customized one is, and as soon as I let go, now it's done. So pretty cool. You can make your own little custom things here. And again, I click it. Now I'm pressing on channel. Now I'm pressing. Yeah, I could talk over myself if I really wanted to. So pretty cool. Add the applause in there, and everything's good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, on top of all that, you also got echo. So I can go ahead and come over here and turn on KTV or pop or pro or shout or dub or anything like that. When I hit one of those and then I turn up this echo knob, now you can see it's really echoey. Or we go to pop or maybe dub. And maybe dub sounds like I'm in like a smaller room, or shouting has a very big open kind of echo to it. Or you got pro mode. And I don't know. It's kind of up to you. And then I can also dial this back down. So if I wanted to have a little bit of KTV in there. So if I'm in a giant studio, I can go ahead and turn this down. And now it just has like a little subtle, reverb in your ear. So now you can hear the echo. And then back to dry, and we're good to go. So then there's also a couple different voice changing options. So if you need something on the fly,
I can go click on girl. I don't know. Does this sound like a girl? Okay, I mean, maybe. Then you have child. And now I'm like I don't know, it kind of sounds like a chipmunk. Then you also got
boy. It doesn't, I don't know, man. And then you also got, you got Warcraft. Get to the front of the battle. Let's get to the battle right now.
Robot. Now this robot does not sound like a robot. Sounds like like I'm Alvin and the Chipmunks. Hey there, come on over and let's have some tea.
Then you also got Mars. Now Mars is just more of like a beefy buff dude. Like, let's get to the front line. Let's wipe them all out. Liu Kang wins. Fatality. That's pretty good. Not bad.
some of these other features on here you can't really utilize unless you're plugged into a computer. So something like loopback and all that kind of stuff, you will need to have inside of, you will need to be able to use with a computer so you can run audio back through it and like send it to OBS or wherever else you want. Now, if I want, I can go ahead and take my phone and turn it into a mobile little music player. So maybe I wanted to do karaoke or something like that. So I can go ahead and click on this on switch for the Bluetooth. And now I can go to my phone, come over here, go to Bluetooth, make sure I'm connected. So now if I go ahead and click on a track, it's going to start playing that song. And now that song is playing into my Synido Live 100. So I can go ahead and control my volume here on my phone with the little volume rocker here. And then I can just sit here and sing along with my music if I wanted to. So now I got this track here playing. Check this out. If I go and hit this dodge button, now when I speak, it turns down the music so that I can talk over the music. And when I stop talking, the music goes right back up. Pretty cool to have a little dodge mechanic in there to go ahead and help me out if I need it. Now, price. What's this thing gonna run me? What do I even want this? I think you do. It's $120, $119 right now. That's a great deal for this. And on top of that, I got a discount code for you for I think like 18% off, something like that. It's like $21 off. So you can get this thing for like 99 bucks. And it's freaking great. I'm talking this is comparable to a GoXLR. You have your recording capabilities of getting your own samples from your voice. You have so many options here in terms of setting up a nice fun stream for your viewers, or even something like a podcast, you know? Now listen, if you missed out on this discount code, just go check Amazon. They're also gonna put up a deal after the discount code. That's just gonna be like 20 bucks off. So if you missed the $21 off, they got like a $20 coupon off for, you know, another month after that or something like that. So just go check the site. I'll link down below. $100 or $120 if you know you're too late to the discount phase. You know what? You can take this with you on the go. If all you has was a Synido Live 100 as well as a laptop, like you basically have an all-in-one mobile recording podcast studio. And this microphone, like I don't know anything about this microphone. I don't even know if they sell it on their website or not. But this thing's actually pretty decent. It sounded pretty good once I started to tweak it using the bass and treble and all that kind of stuff, and I really tweaked my audio how I liked it. I thought this sounded really good. And it comes with it. For $100, this thing is pretty freaking cool. I mean, I only have 3 cables plugged into it. Power, I got my headphones and my microphone, and that's it. And everything is at my disposal right here. If you already have a setup, there's no point to go ahead and change it out. But if you don't have a GoXLR and you don't have something as an audio interface for you and your viewers, this is something very cheap and good that you can go ahead and get yourself right now. So go check them out. Synido Live 100. It's live on Amazon right now. Go check it out. I'll put a link down below. $100 to $120. Go check it out. It's great, man. And thank you so much to the company for sending me out a unit to go ahead and create this video with. So I could potentially see myself maybe utilizing this microphone with that piece of tech when I'm out on the go or doing something else, or if my GoXLR ever actually dies on me. I've spilled on multiple times now, so I'm kind of waiting for the day that it fizzles out on me. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, put it down below. I'll answer it to the best of my knowledge. And that's it. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. All right.